It's time for our application problem. This time you will be copycats, copying what I write down. And let's read our question. The post office sold 204,789 stamps last week. I'm going to circle that number. And 93,061 stamps this week. I'm going to circle that number. What they want to find out is about how many more stamps did the post office sell last week than this week? Explain your answer. So we can see that this is going to be an estimating, a rounding, because of that famous word, about. Okay, so we're going to get started right now and figure what's what. I'm going to use a vertical number line. I'm going to put 204,789 over here, and you should too. 93,061 over here. Let's make a vertical number line to figure this all out. Make sure we can all see this in here. Okay. Vertical number line here. Vertical number line there. 204,789. Let's round to the nearest 100,000. So my one endpoint will be what? If you thought 200,000, you're absolutely correct. And what will my other endpoint be? Well, because 300,000 is 100,000 more than 200,000, that is what it will be. So the midpoint, what's halfway between 200 and 300? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So it would have to be 250,000. You notice that all the midpoints have a 5 in them somewhere. So where will this number wind up? Well, think about it. It's 204,000. What's it closest to? Definitely closer to 200,000. So I'm going to make this 204,789. So we're going to round this number down to 200,000. So I can say 204,000, write this down, 789, round it to the nearest 100,000 is 200,000. Now, we're kind of thinking about this, okay, I can't round to the nearest 100,000 here because it'd be 0 or 100,000. Wouldn't make a lot of sense. So I'm going to round to the nearest 10,000. So my one endpoint will be 90,000. And my other will be what? What's 10,000 more than 90,000? 100,000, 100,000. And what would the midway point be? Well, what's the midpoint between 90 and 100? Well, 95. So where is this one? What is this number closer to? Is it closer to 100,000 or 90,000? Think about it. We have 93, so it's less than 95. So it's going to go down here, 93,061. And that means we'd round down to 90,000. So 93,061 can be rounded to 90,000. All right? Not done yet. Because the problem is asking us about how many more stamps did the post office sell last week than this week. So this is last week, this is this week. I've rounded the numbers, now it's time to subtract, okay? So 200,000 minus 90,000. You see 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 minus 0 is 0. I still see fourth graders doing this. They go, well, 9 minus 0 is 9. No, that cannot be. We need to make that a 1, and this becomes 100,000. 10 minus 9 is 1 and 1. So we could say the post office sold, there's about 110,000 more stamps last week. All right, so let's just do a quick review on the subtraction too. Gonna make a place value chart. Please make this with me. We have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, and 100 thousands. Okay, so we start off with 200 thousands, right? And we're subtracting 90,000 from them, okay? Just think about that, 90,000. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make this over here and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I took the 100,000 and made it 10 10,000s. Now I can subtract 90,000. 1, 2, 3, or 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Look at that. 100,000, 110,000, 0, comma, 0, 0, 0. And there we have our application problem. Hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Go ahead and take a break, get some water, run around the house, tell mom and dad you love them. And today's secret word is lemon. Today's secret word is lemon.